Alright, it's in this corner here. Just going down. Let's just join these two, so make like a little okay. Now that's going a bit brown, so I'm going to go more for my white, just bringing it back lightly. That's it. There we go. Right. All it is really is playing around with the different colours. I'm trying to match what I see. So I want to go into a brown down here, look. I'm just putting a few more hairs. Then I want to go with a black. And maybe just a few little dark areas in, you see? One on top of the other, and then you get a lovely bit of fur like that. I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to leave it for the time being. Let's just join this little where the bottom of the ear meets, see? Let me try my fur brush. Long fur hair. Okay, this is better. I'm just sweeping it in. You can't hurry up fur on an animal if you're this close. You're zoomed in. It's just so delicate. Right, what I want to do now is I just want to start doing something on the eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to outline the eye here, look. This is the left eye that I'm working on. And just fill it in, that's just pure black. Let's do the same for this eye. Okay, now I'll probably end up redoing this blackness a few times, but I just want to put it in there just so I can see where it is. Okay. Now I'm going to start off with the dark colour, the brown. It's a lovely sort of like lemony brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to my soft brush. Get this lemony brown in there, see? Right up to the eye. There we go. I've got about 50%, 60% opacity, so I can probably go over it a couple of times, see? And each time I go over, I'm just bringing it a little bit darker, see? I mean, I could go full whack, save time, look. I'm just going to take the alpha lock off. Come on. Full opacity. There we go. Let's get as close as we can. Let's just bring this all the way around. This is what makes this eye. Now those little splodges, they're on my rough. If I take my rough off, you see, these are where my highlights are. They're just a reference. Right. So I've managed to do all of that. Let's bring some of this darkness in, just a little bit. Right, now I'm going to add some of this lovely yellow, see? And I'm going to go in with my soft brush again, change the opacity this time, because I want to do it a little bit more. That's it, just gradually building it up like. There we go. Now if you notice, change the size around the edge of the iris. It's just a bit lighter, so I'm going to go a bit lighter, and on this side it's lighter anyway. And just build it up. Right, you see how I'm building it up? Let's just increase the there we go. So I'm getting that lovely, lovely yellow. Just keep at it. Just want to change the size. Come around the bottom. See? Around the bottom a little bit more. That's it. See, what I'm doing is I'm just putting it where it's the strongest, and every time I do a new little layer over itself, it's a little bit stronger, see? Because the opacity is so low, it's going to take a few passes to get to the intensity that I want. There we go. There we are, look, it's working lovely. Now I'm going to put a little bit of brownie, chestnut brown, just where the dark meets, just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to go to just pure yellow now, look. And I'm putting it on so gently. I'm using a soft blending brush. I'm just bringing the strength back, see? Oh, that's looking good. That's better. This is just complementing the yellow that I chose, see? Alright, now I want to go into black. well, maybe one of the darker browns just on the top. That's it.